So, you're thinking about launching your career with an incredible overseas work experience? Well, today we are breaking down an absolute game changer of an opportunity. Let's dive right into the 2026 TSMC DNA Internship.
All right, let's just cut right to the chase, shall we? Are you really ready to step onto the global stage? Because this isn't just, any old internship. This is a chance to work in Taiwan and get experience that could literally set the entire course for your professional life.
And you'd be doing it at the very heart of the global tech industry. We're talking about TSMC, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. This isn't just a big company. In an age defined by AI, by supercomputers, by smart everything, it's arguably one of the most important companies on the entire planet.
Okay, so before we get into the internship program itself, let's just take a quick step back and get a sense of the sheer scale of TSMC. I mean, who is this company that's essentially powering our entire digital world?
To really get their impact, you have to understand that TSMC basically invented the modern way of making computer chips. They don't design their own stuff. They build chips for everybody else. We're talking over 11,000 different products for more than 500 customers. Think about that. The phone or computer you're watching this on right now, yeah, there's an almost certain chance it's got TSMC tech inside.
So let's get into the good stuff. What is this internship all about? TSMC calls it the DNA Program, which, honestly, is a pretty brilliant name. It's structured to become part of your professional DNA, and it's an acronym for Develop, Navigate, and Advance. At its heart, the program is all about giving you a comprehensive experience. You're not just going to be doing a single job. You're going to be learning the whole industry, building connections, and getting that super valuable overseas work experience that so many companies are looking for these days.
The whole path is broken down into 3 really clear stages. First up, you develop your knowledge through advanced training and lectures. Then you navigate real-world challenges, working on hands-on projects with some of the best people in the business. And finally, the big one, you get to advance your career. Get this, interns who really knock it out of the park can even get a full-time job offer before they even graduate.
And this is the part that really stands out to me. It's not just theory. You'll actually be a contributing member of a team, working on solutions that genuinely impact people's lives all over the world. I mean, what an incredible thing to have on your resume.
Now for what is probably the most important part for you right now. Who is eligible? Is this an opportunity that you can actually apply for? Let's find out. Okay, so you might be thinking, it's a semiconductor company, so it's only for engineers, right? And that's a really common mistake. Of course, there are tons of engineering roles, but TSMC is a massive global operation. They need talented students in business, in HR, in finance, even the arts, you name it.
And they couldn't make it any more clear. This isn't some casual invitation. It's a core part of how they recruit. No matter what you're studying, if you are a talented student, they want to hear from you. This really opens the door for so many people.
So here's the crucial point, the one non-negotiable rule. You absolutely must be an active student during the summer of 2026. If you've already graduated by then, this specific internship isn't for you, but you should definitely go check out their full-time jobs instead.
Okay, let's get into the practical details. If you're eligible and you're excited, you need to know the timeline and where this is all happening. So let's look at the when and the where.
So go ahead and mark your calendars. The interview window is going to run from December 2025 all the way through March 2026. The program itself happens in the summer of 2026, and they even offer some flexibility on your start date, which is a really nice little bonus. The entire internship is based in Taiwan, and there's a good reason for that. It is the undisputed global hub of semiconductor manufacturing. You could be placed at any of their major sites across the island, from Hsinchu up in the north to Kaohsiung down in the south. Just imagine spending your summer exploring a new country while working at a company that's at the very center of it all. All right, we've covered the what, the why, the who, and the where. Now for the final, most important piece of the puzzle. How do you actually apply and get this thing started? The process is super straightforward. First, get your resume ready, and make sure you include a little autobiography to give them a sense of who you are. Then, just apply on their careers portal. And hey, here's a pro tip. Do not close that browser tab until you see the thank you confirmation page. So, after all that, the question is pretty simple, isn't it? Are you ready to take the leap? To get priceless experience, live in a new country, and work for a company that is fundamentally shaping the future of all technology? If the answer is yes, then what are you waiting for? The link to apply is right there on your screen. Don't hesitate. This is one of those rare opportunities that can truly define what comes next for you. Good luck.